So today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Gemini. Now I will go through this step by step as you can see here on screen, but I will also have a link at the bottom of the show notes that will take you directly to a page that looks just like this. Now on this page you can see it says refer a friend, where if you buy at least $100 worth of crypto within the first 30 days, you get an extra $10 in Bitcoin. So once you click that link and get to this page, what we're going to first and foremost do, and my little thing is in the way here, is click on this get started right over here. So once we go ahead and click on get started, we're gonna go ahead and jump over to the next page, which is gonna go ahead and allow us to get started with actually signing up for this app. Now, of course, it's gonna ask you for some information right over here. Let me just move myself aside. And so what we're going to do is actually plug some of this information in, and then we're going to be able to jump over to the next screen. All right, so here on the next screen, you're going to see it's going to ask you to add in your mobile device. So it's going to verify your phone number to have some additional protection for you. So we're going to plug in our phone number and we're going to add in the security code, and we're going to move on to the next step. And boom, just like that, we have our account created, but we still need to plug in a few more pieces of information, one of which is actually making sure that we add our source right here for banking to be able to transfer our money into the account. So right over here, you can see it says add funding source. So if you click on that, it'll take you to that next page. So that way you can go ahead and add your bank. Now over here, you're going to have a couple different things that you can do. You can choose to, if you want to, do an automatic linked bank account. This will go through very quickly, and this is with Plaid, so it's very secure. You can also add a debit card, or you can even manually enter in your bank. Whichever option works best for you, you can go ahead and utilize that. We're going to go ahead and go through Plaid on this one just to be able to add our bank as quickly as possible. All right, so once you add your bank, you can see at the very top up there, kind of just went away. It says your bank is now linked. So we are good to go with our bank right over here, where you can see funding sources that are linked. And so we can go ahead and have that verified and start transferring in our money. So once we added in our bank, now we're here on the main page. There are still a few extra steps we have to take before we can fully do everything functional here on the app. The first thing is you can see over here on the side, it says complete your account. It's actually right under my picture here. You do need to confirm your email that you decided to put into place. So make sure you go to your email and confirm that. And then you also have to enter in your address and ID to be able to raise your limits and allow for withdrawals. Now, this is going to be important because, of course, there is federal laws in place. So you have to actually put this in here to be able to go through the process of actually doing investments. Now, what we're going to do is just go ahead and click on these and just add everything in that we need to, so that way we can complete our account entirely. So we went through and confirmed our email. Now to confirm our identity, we have a choice of either doing our passport or our driver's license. So I'm going to go ahead and do driver's license, and it's just going to ask us to upload our information, which I'm going to go ahead and do. So once you get everything verified, you're going to see right over here where it says my portfolio currently has $0, but you can go ahead and click on the transfer button right over here. So you can start getting that first $100 into your account to get your free $10 in Bitcoin, which, remember, just make sure you click on the link down below to be able to get that offer. Now, if you want to check out some other different places to be able to buy crypto, check out my video right over here to learn about those different platforms. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.